Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing Mel Dorado. Now, he only appears once in the entire franchise, and that is in Cars 2, where they're watching, where he hosts the talk show called the Mel Dorado Show, and well, in that certain episode, he interviews Miles Axelrod about World Grand Prix. And then, he also talks to Francesco Bernoulli, who's a World Grand Prix competitor. And then, some other stuff happens, which, makes McQueen, enter the World Grand Prix, basically. And then off goes McQueen, some other, other people, well, cars, I should say, to Tokyo, and watch Cars 2. It's a good film, and then, he's actually one of the only cars in the entire franchise to wear glasses. Well, I can't think of another example off the top of my head, but I don't know. Please comment down below if you know any more. And his car, is a Cadillac ElDorado. Clues in the name. His name, because his name's Mel Dorado. Obviously, as I just said, his car is an ElDorado. Huh? Clever, play on with the names, eh? Kudos again, Pixar. And for comparison, here is a Tex Dynaco, who's obviously the Dynaco owner. Now, Tex here is he's based on a Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Obviously, ElDorado. Well, they're both Cadillacs, so no wonder they look similar. Now, if you ask me which one's my favourite, I mean, I prefer to gold on Tex, but overall design, and obviously the glasses, I gotta go Mel. Thanks for your service, Tex. See you in another video. And then, let's take a look at the design. Obviously, as I previously mentioned, see that he has glasses. Obviously, as I just said, one of the only characters to do so. And also all the hood ornaments, which, Tex, he has the horns. Then, then you got, half white roof, which, I mean, kind of like Otis, if I'm honest. But, you'll see why when I do a video about him. There he goes. Very nice, obviously. Arch hanging over half the wheel. Well, half of it. Well, some of it has. Then here we go. Well, not white walls, but still rims. Nice. There we go. The V8, like a number plate. Was it number plate? FSHBWL. Wonder what that means. Then obviously got the little fins, whatever they're called here. Obviously, Cadillac, old American cars, especially the big ones like this. So majority of them had fins. Then let's see. I think that's pretty much all there is to say. So I'll see you in the next video.